We're getting it at this time.
That's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. Cooking a smile for none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down for these niggas. That's the way I like it.
We're back with another vlog. My name is B. You can call me Bernicia. B with It Don't Matter. But welcome to another vlog. So happy that you're here. If you are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're old, same rules apply. Do all the things. Welcome back, y'all. TikTok. Hold on. I gotta sit y'all down because we're getting ready for church and we're already late. So yeah, I don't know why I decided to pick up my camera, but I mean, like, what else we have to do? We don't have TikTok anymore. TikTok is gone. Do I think that it's gonna come back? Absolutely yes. How and when, I don't know, but I just want to know, and I want to make sure that I'm not the only like cuckoo one. Let me put y'all down. I just need to make sure. There y'all go. I need to make sure I'm not the only cuckoo one. Girl, I'm over here just automatically clicking TikTok after like I scroll at the other apps. Because let's be honest, let's be real. Baby, all the other ones are trash. I hate it here. Like, what? Did I put moisturizer on my face? Yeah, I got a new vanity. Y'all have to see the whole setup in here. It's coming together so well. The only thing is it's kind of messy right now because I have like PR and I still have to organize my makeup. And then I have to have like things because I have to record stuff. So she's a little dirty right now, so I ain't gonna show you her right now. But just know we got a whole vanity, you got a whole setup. I got my key light. We're really like, we're upping up production over here. Anyways, I don't know if the camera's ready, so hold on. Had to clean y'all off, girl. Do I want to do makeup or not? I don't think I have time for makeup, but I kind of, we're gonna be late. I need to do a quick brow because I want to record some content while we're out today. So I'm gonna do a quick little brow, quick little mascara. My face is literally pigging the hell out. I don't know why. Don't know why. And I wanna know what's even crazier is that I was literally probably like 100 people away from hitting 70K yesterday. And let me tell you where I was at. Let me set the scene for you. Girl, I'm sitting, we went over to my friends. And I had went live on TikTok and a lot of y'all were there, so thank y'all for stopping by. I went live on TikTok and just to kind of say like my like I guess goodbyes, you know what I mean? Like just like, all right y'all, like I love y'all. Y'all can find me on YouTube, y'all can find me on Instagram, that type of thing. But then I also wanted like other people to like come up and like, you know, like hang out too, just to like so it could be like how it used to be. And it was so much fun. It was so much fun. It literally felt like the old times. And if you've been around on my TikTok account for some time, you know that like when we first started on TikTok and like when like the GOP1 community and all of that came about, like going on live and having like a panel or just having like a whole bunch of people on live at the same time, like that was one of the things that everyone loved to do. So it was so cute just to see everybody like do that. And I mean everybody was on live. It literally felt like the old days. I loved it. But anyways, so I'm live. I said my little one too. You see how fast I did that brow? Period. Yeah, I'm happy I decided to do this. This is the Rare Beauty brow pencil, by the way. People ask me all the time in my videos. It's the best. The best. I don't use pomades. I don't do a fluffer. I'm just a pencil girl. Pencil and concealer. And I've been this way since a very long time. Probably since college. But this brow pencil from Rare Beauty, it's so good. Period. What was I saying? So we live. We in the live. I go to my friend's house, and while I was live, I get the notification that, you know, for just confirming that, you know, TikTok is actually going to be banned. Get the notification. People are getting the notification while I'm on live and reporting it, like while I'm live. And I'm like, oh shit, here we go. Let's brace it. Let's brace it. And so I'm like, okay, no. I actually got the notification. So I'm over here like, damn. Then we in the live. I go to my friends. And then the game's on. I don't know why I'm this new profound Detroit Lions fan, but I am. And so we were watching the game. And they lost. I don't want to hear it in the comments. Do not. They lost. But I'm happy. If they were to lose, I'm happy they lost to the Commanders because I kind of like the Commanders too. I don't know. Anyways. I'm over there at their house with them and we just chilling watching the game. Girl, I opened the app. No, I'm scrolling. That's what I was doing. I'm scrolling the app, babe. That hoe said it was just stuck loading. I was like, damn. So I told Tobes, I was like, Tobes, open your phone and see if you can open up TikTok. He couldn't open it up. Nobody over there, my friends could not open it up either. I said, oh, this hoe really gone. They didn't give us till 12 o'clock at all. What? Why did y'all do that? Why did y'all? And some people were saying, because I think I had said this on TikTok on live when I was with my girls. I think I had told them that somebody said it's a possibility that they were going to ban it earlier, but I don't want to believe it. But that's what happened, girl. That's what I was doing at the time. Now, do I think it's gonna come back? Absolutely. Because I mean, why wouldn't it? Why wouldn't it? It's literally not doing any harm. It's doing so much help for so many people. But I've already, like, I've lost an account before, and so me losing that account literally like woke my ass up and was like, okay, you need to diversify your content. You need to be on YouTube. You need to be on Instagram. You need to be everywhere. So if something falls, because literally nothing lasts forever, if one of those fall off, you have a plan B, plan C. And even right now with me on those 3 platforms, I'm still working in more ways to also continue to diversify so I can have multiple things going on for myself. So I'm just not solely dependent on one thing, which thankfully I do have somewhat of a following on Instagram. Also, the good thing about this band, honey, is that we almost at 1,000 subscribers over here. We almost at 1K. I was like, what? It took me forever to get out of like 600 subscribers. But not everybody trying to find us. This isn't Tarte's new Lights, Cameras, Lashes mascara. It's like a lash serum meets a mascara. It's like both. Girl, I've been using this every day because who don't want to grow their lashes? But I also really love how it like curls my lashes and keeps them curled. And I also feel like, I don't know, but if y'all tried this too, if y'all tried this mascara, I feel like it's a little bit more like black. Like this is a black mascara, which I'm also not mad at. I also just realized I did not put any moisturizer on my face. So I gotta do that when I get up and go put my wig on. Anyways, today, the plans for today is to go grocery shopping because it's freezing here. It's like in the 20s and it's supposed to snow this week on Tuesday. So I'm like, okay, we need to go to the grocery store. I need to get snacks. I need to get just like meals I can make at home, you know, while it's snowing. Just in case we can't like get out. Also, things are getting really real with getting a new car. We've been in contact with the dealer back and forth all weekend. The car should be here literally in a couple of days. And so literally just like crunchy numbers, trying to get, you know, the whole negotiation part of it all down. But was I stressed about TikTok going away? Yes. But also something like in me just knows like it's going to come back. My only thing is like, is it going to come back and be the same? Is it going to be different? Like, that's my only thing that I'm like hoping also stays the same. Because we all love TikTok how it was. Like, were there some things that we were complaining about? Yes, but people complain about everything. So that just comes with it. But I think overall we can all agree, like, okay, we loved it. Like, I wanted the same way that it was. Anyways, okay, this is how we're going to do. I'm going to go in with the Fenty lip oil just to kind of like put everything together. And we are really running late. So let me go put my clothes on. And I'll see y'all after church. I'm so happy. Are you happy that we're back vlogging? Because I'm actually really happy that we're back vlogging. I've been meaning to for so long, but girl, I had to get like an external hard drive because my laptop got so full of storage. So I had to get that and wait for that to come in. Then I also had to get a new SD card. So baby, we was out of commission for a little bit, but we back. We're back and we're better. All right, see you in maybe a couple hours. All right, love you, bye. Hey girls, here's a fit check. You really can't see that much. I might check you in the mirror. But I love this sweater. I got it from Shein a couple of years ago. And every time I wear it, I get the most compliments. Also, Weight Watchers sent us the cutest little like friendship bracelet. And it goes perfect with this sweater. So I said, why not wear it? But let me show you the real fit. My pants, oop. Hold on. My pants are wrinkled, so forget about that. But here she go. Got the pants. It's really cold outside, so I may just keep the Uggs. I may put on some tennis shoes. But that is the fit. Hey y'all, we done out of church. We just went to Sam's Club to get some goodies. Tells us put them all up. Such a strong man. Such a strong man. Y'all, TikTok back. It's back, baby. We back. Anyways, talk to y'all later. I'm about to get in the car because it is cold as hell. Okay, we back. Y'all, while I come today at service, baby, I prayed for TikTok to come back. I said, and then the pastor was talking about how TikTok is gone. And the girls in the back was like, no, it's back, it's back. Then I pulled out my phone to go ahead and like pay for offering and do my tithes and stuff. And everybody texts me, it was like, B, it's back.
Who candy was this?
Anyways, it's back. My nose is red because it's freezing.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Every time I try to talk, you over here rustling in the bag. All right, bye guys. We are back home from grocery shopping. We got a good amount of things here. Don't know why, but I guess we're on a salad kick. Girl, we got this whole thing of lettuce. So we gotta be eating salads like today. I'm more of an Olipop girl, but I got this really like big case from Sam's Club. It has the Doc Pop, which I don't know. It has wild berry and lemon lime. I really like the wild berry one, so that's what made me get this one. So I hope I like the other ones, but we'll see. Either way, they're gonna get drunken because I don't play about my money. They're gonna get drunk. And then I saw these chicken flautas from Sam's Club, 16 grams of protein. I'm actually gonna put some in the air fryer now because I'm hungry. And that's gonna be like my little like snacky snack. And everything else is just like, if you saw my TikTok, you saw what we got. So yeah, I'm gonna put this up and then probably change, film some stuff for TikTok because it's back. And then I will see y'all later. Good morning. It is Monday. And I done put this wig on because we're about to go to Pilates. And I need to move my body this week. I think I went to Pilates twice last week, so we're slowly getting back into the swing of things, this week I think I booked like 4 classes, so it's gonna be a bit of a reach, girl. A little bit of a reach. Will I go to all 4? We'll see. Cause it's currently like cold, like it's super cold in Texas right now. I'm gonna put my little sweatband on. It needs to be washed. Okay. I have a work meeting here in a couple of minutes, 10 minutes, because I still work full time. But hopefully that'll change this year and I'll be a full-time content creator. We'll see though, we'll see. It's all in God's timing. And whenever he tells me to move, then baby, I'm moving. Okay. I really should have put a brow on or something, because I got some content to film. Do I have time? Why do I feel like we go through this every day? We went through this yesterday. Church was so good yesterday. It's just always good to get like a good, like that's the part of the reset. Everybody be doing like Sunday resets. Baby, going to church just fills my cup every time. That's the reset. Girl, I did not wake up today. Tubbs turned the heat off last night, so we woke up. The house is at 66. Whoa. Put the heat on. What is happening right now? Okay, I need to drink some water because I'm really trying to make sure I get water in before like I do anything else. And I know after Pilates, I'm going to Project Lean to give me my favorite little mochaccino protein shake. Yeah. But we need water. Okay, maybe I won't do anything crazy with the brows. I'm gonna use this Brows for Days by Tarte to kind of just like play, like, you know, brush them up. And I need to put some moisturizer on my face because we're looking pretty dull, ain't we? Yeah. Last night we watched football because it was Sunday. Missed the Ravens game, but so sad that they lost. I had no idea they were going to lose. But I also, apparently it's a thing that Lamar Jackson can get it past the second round. And then who else we watched before that? I don't even remember. We have a lot of things to do this week as far as content goes. But I always love a busy week, babe. And I'm trying to get all my ideas and stuff together. I take my injection today because today's injection day for GLP-1. And I need to go to Target. So that's the plan today so far. Let me get ready to do this meeting. And then I'll see y'all once we head over to Pilates, okay? We done went to Pilates. I done got my favorite protein shake. Girl, she empty. From Project Lean. She empty. But she was real good. She was real good. Went to Target. I had to return a top from the Blogalates. That collab. Cassie's collab with Target. I had to return a top because I think I got a size too big, so I need to get a smaller size, but they didn't have a smaller size. I waited too long, so I had to return that. And then I just picked up some prescriptions, and now it's time to come back in here in the house and work. But Pilates was really good. I am really getting back into like the Pilates type of thing, and I'm really not trying to like focus on cardio anymore since I am at my goal. And like that was like my main like type of thing to do, is like, okay, cardio. But now I'm just trying to focus on strength training and doing all of that, especially because my goal is to get surgery this year, hopefully. Girl, between having like getting a new car, surgery, like all like Bills is adding up. Bills is adding. So I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and do the car first because that's a necessity. Because if y'all see how this Jeep is looking, y'all be like, B, I know you're not riding like this, baby. I'm riding however you think. We looking like tomato. But this car was literally like this was my baby. It was a graduation gift for graduating college, and I've had it for a very, very, very long time. So she did what she had to do. She lasted longer than what I thought she would. But it's time to let her go, babe. We have to elevate. Hopefully, I just finished talking to my dealer, and they're hoping to have the car like here this week. It's currently in Kansas City. So hopefully it'll be here in a couple of days. But we're still like crunching numbers. And this is my first time ever buying a car. So I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But I'm just like trying. You know, I'm just trying to negotiate. Because I'm just like, something about buying a car just gives me the heebie-jeebies, girl. But I'm trying my best. I called the insurance people to kind of see like how much that's going to be on top of the car payment. Because I drive too much to lease. So I got to finance. And what else? I think that's it. Yeah. But, anywho, let's go to work, girl. Hey, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. What? The lighting's probably going to be terrible because I got y'all pushed back. But it's the morning time. Really not. It's really not. It's about to be 1, which is sick. I didn't sleep good last night. So, I was just being like, I had a very, very, very slow morning. The Pilates class that I had booked was too full, so I didn't have to go to Pilates this morning, which I'm not mad at because, girl, we did so much like booty and like quad stuff yesterday that like I am sore. Just walking, baby, you can just feel like the little cheeks just ow, ow, ow. So yeah, I need to rest, babe, because yeah, baby, the cheeks is hurting. This is my little, if y'all wondering what's dangling, this is my little Canada cup that I got when I went to the Tarte trip. The Taylor Swift thing with Tarte. I bought that. I thought it was pretty cute. Like a little memory. Anyways, we need to take our stuff for the morning. I'm going to make a protein coffee. Also, I need to drink some greens, so we're gonna do that on an empty stomach because typically that's, oh, my coffee cup is clean. I don't clean it. I don't wash the dishes. Tobes wash the dishes, so I never know what's clean or not, but my coffee cup is clean. I need to order some more of these. I love this. Got it from Amazon. I'll probably link it if y'all want it. But this is my little AG1 cup. I actually probably just gonna put it in like some water like this. I'm gonna just chug-a-lug it and call it a day. I don't want to put that much water. Okay, yeah, this should be enough. Girl, me going back and forth with my dealership friends about this Lexus is crazy. I'm just trying to get the best deal possible. And I've seen, like, I've watched so many TikToks, and I'm so happy TikTok is back because I probably don't say this every day in this vlog. But because, baby, how was I going to know how to negotiate a new car if TikTok was not here? Baby, TikTok done taught me how to cook, how to negotiate a car. It done taught me how to lose weight. Baby, what? It done taught me how to do heatless curls on this wig. Baby, who am I without TikTok? Nobody. What? So I was like, okay, thank God TikTok is back so I can know how to negotiate with the girl because I'm trying to get off a couple more K. Like, let me knock it off. Anyways, we still going back and forth, and hopefully we can all agree to a number sometime soon because the car is supposed to be here this week. And I'm excited. Also, everybody, also me being one of those people, was panic buying for the snow that we were supposed to get this way. Girl, we didn't get it. Houston got it. Louisiana got it. Mississippi got it. Girl, it's just cold as hell outside. Okay, this is the AG1 greens. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, this tastes like it's a little earthy, but I love how it makes my tummy feel. And I don't know why, but I feel like I've been having a little, this too much, but you know, I need to be regular. I haven't been, so. I can never drink it all. I gotta take a break. I also need to see if my doctor sent in my 10 milligram script. Because, baby, I keep asking her, but I'm like, are you out of office? What are you doing? Also, my oncologist, I keep calling them because I'm trying to get surgery. And I can't go to my surgeon for my consultation until my oncologist approves me. So I'm just waiting to go to their office to, like, get approved. I can't get a hold of them. I'm like, hello? What's that TikTok sign? What's that TikTok sign? Hello? Hello? Baby, somebody answer the phone. Hell, I got things to do before I turn 29 this year. Me being 29 this year is crazy. That's wild. Anyway. I also have to go to the dentist this week. I have a cavity right here. Girl. Okay, now I need to put some water in here. Hold on. Let me get the stuff for this protein coffee and I'll be right back. Okay, we back. I got my Clean Super Ease powder that I've been using like every day. I make the same protein coffee like every day. PB2 powder because I'm going to do like a peanut butter chocolate type of thing. Like a Reese's. And then I got the Nescafe Gold Blonde, which honestly is one of my favorites to drink. The blonde. I need to get a decaf because sometimes I don't be wanting coffee in the morning. I be wanting like a protein coffee like for lunch or like, you know, like when I'm watching like Real Housewives or something like that. Also, speaking of Real Housewives, let me get my water. Hold on. I think there's too much water. What y'all think? Oh well. Okay, speaking of Real Housewives, I have just finished Salt Lake City, the season finale. I am so proud of Mary. Mary has opened up so much this season. And like I feel like years before now, it was like she hated being on the show. But she brought so much to the show this season. Love that. Heather, I don't know why people have made Heather be like the Nene Leakes of Salt Lake City, but I don't think she fits that. But they're making her the Nene Leakes, literally. And I'm just like, I don't know, Heather. Heather, she got her own stuff. And she's just as messy. But somehow she gets a pass for everything. Don't know. Lisa, I don't know. Lisa just a lost cause, babe. She's a total lost cause. And Whitney, I just feel like Whitney just needs somebody to argue with. So she chooses to argue with Lisa because she knows what she can say to get Lisa pissed off. And it works every time. It works every time. Anyway, the milk that I'm using today is the Califia. I don't know if that's how you say it, the almond milk. And I'm going to put like, I guess like 8 ounces of milk in here. Probably like 4 ounces of milk. And then I'm going to do the other, okay, definitely like 6 ounces of milk. And I'm going to do 2 ounces of water. That's what I'm going to do with that. Okay, beautiful. And then we're going to take this. I have tried the vanilla, the coconut one, I think coconut cream, and I've tried the birthday cake one too. They all slap. If you need a good protein powder, and I used to hate protein powders because, girl, I used to diet back when I was 13. Baby, I'm not new to this. I'm fucking true. I'm true to this. So, babe, listen, I done been around this game. And that's what, like, traumatized me so much as a kid It's just like being in so many diets. And I remember this one diet that I could only like drink a protein shake for a meal, and it was the nastiest protein shake of my whole entire life. It was disgusting. And then I think for dinner I could have like 2 things, and I think it was like salmon or a 6-inch club from Subway, mustard, wheat bread, turkey, and I think lettuce, no cheese. Baby, I was miserable. Miserable. Imagine you're in like 7th grade doing this. What? So yeah, that is literally what scarred me from trying protein powders ever again in my whole entire life. And I just recently got back open to the idea of doing protein powders. And Clean Slipper Eats is what brought me back. No cap, chat. W Clean Slipper Eats. W Clean Slipper Eats. Okay, let's do. So I did 2 little scoopies of the coffee or the instant espresso. We're gonna mix that up. And let her sit for a little bit. Then here is my protein shake. And I'm just going to shake her up. Okay, yeah. And you know what's been so disgusting? Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you real quick. Seeing people be so happy that TikTok was gone for like the little second that it was gone. Why are y'all celebrating something? Why are y'all mad that people are upset about an app being gone? Do you not know this is people's livelihoods? If it wasn't for TikTok, I wouldn't have been able to get this new car that I'm about to get. Or potentially have enough money for this surgery that I'm going to get. What? Or fix my teeth. I'm planning to get Invisalign. I wouldn't be able to do none of this if it wasn't for TikTok. Excuse me? And y'all mad? I'll never understand it. Granted, people don't get that. People don't get that social media can be a job. But at the same time, don't knock anybody else's hustle. I would never do that. Y'all are weird. Anyways, I got that off my chest. Because it's just like, what? It's like, what? You're really mad that people can, like, set up a camera, set up a phone, and make money from that? Like, if you want to do it, it's literally just do it. But don't hate from outside the club. Like, you can literally get in. You can. Anybody can get in. Like, anybody. It's not exclusive. Just start recording. Okay, I think she shook it up enough. What simple syrup should we use? Should we use peanut butter chocolate or cookie dough? Or both? I think you said both. Yeah, okay. Gonna give a Reese's cookie. Are we so excited? I know I am. Okay. This cup kind of stinks. Don't tell nobody I said that. Okay, we got the ice filled to the brim. And we're gonna pour the coffee. I always spill it. I didn't spill it today. Is she really becoming a barista? Protein shake. And then the 2 syrups. This is what she looks like so far. I'm sorry I can't see. I don't feel like bringing my stand, baby. Sometimes I'm a lazy content creator. And that's okay. I can admit that. I'm lazy sometimes. A little drop of that. I need to order some more pumps so I can pump these. A little bit of that. Got my straw, got my coffee, and we're good. I'm about to go actually work because I still work. And I will holler at y'all later. But I think as far as plans for today, we really just chilling and vibing. I got emails to answer. I may go to Target again because I need to like actually film content in Target. if I feel like going, but I may get out in this damn cold, girl. It's like 10 degrees outside, excuse me. But I gotta get that done. So I'll probably go to Target later today, maybe, or tomorrow. I need to go today. But that's it. That's it. Work is kind of quiet, thank God. But I got some stuff due for like TikTok and stuff, so I get that out the way. But I hope you're having a great day. I love y'all. I took my injection last night in my thigh, and that shit burned so bad. Somebody had commented on my video and was like, do your injection never burns? And I'm like, sometimes like it hurts, but it never burns. Girl, last night in my thigh, it burned for like 20 minutes. I was like, am I having like a reaction? Like, what's going on? But yeah, there's that. Anyways, girl, I gotta go. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. We are getting ready to go to Pilates because I gotta get back to getting this body snatched before surgery. Anyways, update on the car. Did the credit little application, whatever, hoping to hear back so I can figure out like what these monthly payments are going to be, because up until now, a little car buying tip that I've learned on TikTok: never let them know how much like monthly you're trying to pay monthly. I guess I'm trying to say, like, never let them know what your budget is on a monthly basis until you get that final out the door number. So we have haggled and negotiated to a good out of the door price that I was comfortable with for the loan to be, and now it's all about, okay, let's see what these monthly payments are going to be like. Let's see what this APR going to hit for, all of that. Even though I plan on paying off this bad boy like well before the term like ends or whatever, because I haven't had a car note ever, so this is my first time having a car note, and I'm trying to pay and be done. I don't want a car note. Don't. Anyways, going to Pilates. I'm actually really hungry, girl. I woke up hungry. So yesterday I really wasn't that hungry. I did my thigh on Monday. Today's Wednesday. Yeah. And so yesterday, all I had, girl, was Taco Bell. And if you haven't had them pulling burritos, the dipping burritos, girl, get them. The chicken and the steak, both fire. Get them. Go to Taco Bell. Get them. Not sponsored. Girl, they're good. They're so good. That's all I had yesterday. And a protein coffee. And like maybe half of that. So, girl, I woke up hungry as hell. I kind of want to go to Piata after Pilates. Tobes is going to be with me. So, whatever we both agree on for lunch, I guess. Sushi or Piata. Yeah. Anyways, did a little bit of work this morning, and time to go move this body. I don't know if I told you about my nails, but I love this color. I'm a little ashy, but like it's like a pinky chrome. She's so cute. I went into a nail shop not knowing what I wanted, but we kind of just like made those decisions as they came up. Love the nails. I want to do a little check-in with y'all or whatever. Didn't go to Target yesterday. Want to go today, but my 10 milligram is not ready to be picked up. It says it's on back order, so I'm gonna wait till the 10 milligram is ready, then I'll go to Target. Try to be responsible and save my money. Hey y'all, it's the crack of dawn. Boo, I'm trying to hold y'all up, girl. My arms are so Pilates. I done went 3 times this week, and 3 for me is typically like my max, because like my body just, I can't even hold my camera. What? Anyways, we are up early, if you can't tell, because girl, I look crazy. We're up early at the crack of dawn because I need to go to the dentist. Y'all know I'm on Operation Build a Bad Bitch, Build a Baddie, which I'm already a baddie, but I'm just making sure that I'm at my maximum potential. We gotta be up here. I'm like right here. We gotta be like right here. So I'm going to the dentist. I know like 2 cavities for sure that I need to like get fixed. So I'm gonna do that, and then the plan is to start getting Invisalign so I can kind of fix my teeth. I mean, they're alright, but they're shifting and it's bothering me, so I want to shift them back. And I got braces back when I was in middle school, and I should have kept and stayed consistent with my retainers, but I didn't because I was stupid. So kids, if you're watching this, Listen to your parents. Listen to your orthodontics. Ortho. Listen to your ortho. I can't talk this morning. Hell. And wear them retainers because now I'm over here about to spend a couple more to refix my teeth. We love that. Anyways, how are y'all doing? It's freezing still in Texas, and today's plan is honestly to do a couple things at work. Hopefully my car is ready. I don't know. And then we're going to a basketball game later. Oh. Taylor's over here throwing water on the thing. He's so annoying. They throwing water to defrost the car out because, girl, it was all frozen today. Anywho. Sorry I didn't vlog yesterday. What was I doing yesterday? I had to film a campaign and work. I was mainly working. So, anyway, I will see y'all later. Hopefully the dentist isn't too bad. Oh yeah, put it on the, yeah. You turned the car on?
Can't turn the heat on till the car warm up. Mess up the engine.
Well, that's already messed up. What's up, y'all? I'm about to do a quick little 1-2 on the face because I gotta make some content. But y'all, guess what? Guess what? My car's here! My car's here. I'm so excited. I am so happy. I am so excited. What is happening? I'm about to get a new car. I can't. And none of my family members are replying back fast enough. I'm like, baby, we need to be excited. My car is here. So, this is my first ever car that I've bought myself. Like, literally bought myself. All of my other cars were, my first car was like, you know, it's like a little, you know, it's a car that you can bump around. Nothing crazy. It was an 04 CTS Cadillac. But I love that car down, honey. We was, baby, all around the world. All around the world in that thing. And then, upon graduating college, I really wanted a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Don't ask me why, but that's the car that I wanted at the time, and so I got that one. And she's been with me since my senior year of college, all the way up until now. And I got that in 2019. So it's about almost 6 years old. Almost 6 years old, which I guess that's like a good run for a car, but. Well, a good run for a Jeep, let me say that. But we got a Lexus RX, not an NX. We got a Lexus RX 350 hybrid. Baby, we got the white exterior with the Palomino peanut butter interior. I am so happy. I don't even know why. Like, last night I was like taking a bath and I was just like, you really did this. Like, you really are paving a lifestyle that you want, and you're going after it and you're achieving it. And I'm just, it made me emotional in the shower. I was like, I'm really buying myself a new car. I'm really about to get a new car. Baby, and the Jeep gas tank just went empty. I'm about to put like $20, enough so I can go into Dallas, into downtown Dallas, and drop that bad boy off. Full tank, why? Baby, this y'all car now, not mine. I'm so excited, y'all. We did it. Wow. And I went to Target earlier because, first of all, I have to pick up my 10 milligram. So I picked that up. And I like had to record something in there for like a paid ad. So I was doing that. And while I was doing it, I said, let's go to the clothes section to like get me a cute little outfit so I could wear it when I go pick up the car, because I'm gonna want to take pictures and like vlog. Like, y'all are coming with me, duh. Like, why wouldn't y'all? This is insane. And other people, like, I was telling like my family members of like, you know, I'm getting a Lexus, and I was telling them like the final cost of like the car and, you know, things like that. And I mean, granted, is a Lexus expensive? The price is up there. She's pricey. Cars are pricey. But I wanted something that I could grow in. I wanted something that was like nicer, that looked nice, felt luxurious, but could also last me for forever. And I don't know what other brand that can do that besides Lexus. She's like affordable luxury. You know, like I really am not into like the BMWs, the Mercedes. I'm really not into them. I'm not. I don't know why, but I've never really liked those cars. And I'm also not a person to like, you know, want a super expensive car like that. But if I'm going to pay my money on something, I want it to be able to last, which that's going to do. I just feel like it's a smart buy. I feel like it's a good investment. It's a good buy. And I'm actually going to be able... I'm going to be able to... Oh, if I ever wanted to sell it, I'll be able to, like, it's good resale value. When I was posting my series on TikTok of like me like physically going to all of these like car locations and taking my time like before buying a car, everyone was like, B, you have so much patience, because ain't no way in hell I would have took that long to buy a car. And so I was like, really? Like, do people really not, like, do people, like, not, like, do this? I just feel like the Virgo in me, like, I just really like to do my research, and I want to make sure the decision that I make is the best decision. And I could just also be, like, me being the oldest sibling, and me being a Virgo. Baby, I'm going to peruse. I'm going to look. I'm going to compare prices. I am a smart shopper. I do that with shoes. The hell you think I'm going to do this for the car? Yes, I'm doing it with a car too, baby. That's a lot of money. I'm about to look around and figure out who got what. What? I'm not just about to be like, okay, this car's cute. I'll get it. No. No me, no him, no turkey. So, anyways, she's here. And I'm just gonna do a quick 1-2 on the face. Today we went to the dentist. I thought I was gonna actually get work done, girl. I had all of that like anxiety for nothing. We did a little 1-2, a little x-ray. I got 6 cavities, which I knew for a fact I had like at least like 2 to 3, but 6 is insane. I was like, damn. Granted, don't judge me, but I haven't been to the dentist in like 5 or 6 years. It's been a long time. Because one of the reasons, and I'm kind of like, it's like a trauma thing. I'm kind of nervous to go to the dentist, because that is how I initially found out that I had leukemia, was when I went to the dentist and they did a teeth cleaning. And after they cleaned my teeth, I had went home that night, and I was constantly like, blood was just like flowing, gushing like down. Like, I was like, my mouth was bleeding so bad for like 12 hours. And it was really bad. And so my gums couldn't stop bleeding. And we had no idea what it was. I thought that it was just like the dentist's office like being super rough on me. So then I went back to the dentist. I went back to the dentist and I called them, and I went back and I was basically telling them like, hey, like, I can't stop, my gums can't stop bleeding. What's the issue? They gave me like some fancy mouthwash to like stop the bleeding, but then another problem arose, whatever. And turns out I had leukemia the whole time. Had no idea. But it happened from the dentist. And so I have been scared as hell to go back to the dentist. And so me going now and like taking care of that now was a really big step for me. So I was nervous as hell, but we went. And I have to get 6 fillings done. Also, Tarte sent me this. It's their Tubing XL mascara. Don't know if you've heard of it, but girl, I love it. But check this out. It's brown. Uh-oh. Can you see? It's brown. Which I feel like the lighting sucks right here. But I've never had brown mascara on. So I'm going to see. I'm usually a black mascara girl. But I'm not against brown. It's time to say goodbye to the Jeep. I'm so sad, kind of. It's time to say goodbye to her. Do we like it? Can y'all tell a difference? I don't know. Also, y'all, peep this tea. So I had a work meeting with my boss yesterday, like a little our weekly status. And I have been trying to like move up within the company for, I want to say maybe the past year. But I've been remote and working remote since 2020, 2021. I think 2020. Maybe even 2019, girl. I've been working for my company now for 5 years. So it gotta be no, 2019. Anyways, it's been 5 years and I have been within my current role that I'm in for like 3 years now. Going on 4, I feel like. And that's a long time in like corporate world, especially when you're younger into like your career and you know, you're just trying to elevate, network, whatever. So I'm telling, my boss was basically telling me, because how things are structured now, people are like getting called back into the office. Like remote work is really becoming scarce again, which is wild because I feel like I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing now if it wasn't for the fact that I work from home. Anyways, she was basically telling me like, girl, it's probably going to be best for you to switch companies. Because the way the structure is right now, it is going to be really hard for you to find a remote position at the next level. And where I work, the corporate office is out of state. It's not in Texas. So I would have to move, essentially. And honestly, I love where I'm living right now. I can afford it comfortably. My family's here. I'm close to my grandparents that are getting older. My mom's getting older. I've been able to spend so much more time with my family. And I love that. I'm a family girl. So moving away is not kind of like what I want to do. At least not too far away. Anyways, and so I was just like, I was shocked to have my boss tell me that, which I mean, I know it's the truth because you hear people say all the time, like moving companies rather than like staying within your company and moving up internally. When you go external, you can actually get more pay than if you were to get promoted internally. So I'm over here saying like, okay, girl, where are you going to go? But y'all already know I'm secretly like debating, and I've been going back and forth with this for like months now on if it's time to go ahead and take this leap of faith and pursue this full time. And I saw a TikTok last night, and there was this girl basically saying how and I know I shouldn't compare her journey to mine, but she basically was just like, she took that leap of faith and she quit her job. And she put the amount of money that she's making now after quitting her job. I'ma just say, I don't tell my business, but the amount that she put is what my monthly average is just from online. Just from TikTok, Instagram, brand deals, all of that. So I'm like, okay, well, if she can make it, I should be able to make it, and I can quit this little funk job and really put my craft into this. Like but I'm nervous, y'all. I'm so nervous. But I feel like it's the next best step. I don't know. But I really been like praying about it. I've been going to God about it, and I have just been like, okay, God, like let me know when it's time. And I'll stop being scared, and I'll put all my trust in you. But seeing that girl say that, I was like, okay, like, it let me know basically I'm at where I'm supposed to be. And if I do leave my full-time corporate position, that I'll be fine. Which I already knew that, but like, you know, it's better to like hear it from somebody else. Anyways, we're going to a basketball game later. And so I will, that's the shenanigans. I'm going to go meet with Key. I haven't seen Key in forever. So we're going to hang out tonight and just cut up. But I can't wait to bring y'all along so we can pick up this car. Y'all are going to gag. I'm going to gag. I'm going to want to go everywhere. I cannot just thank you all enough. I can't thank the love that y'all show me and the amount of y'all that have allowed me to be confident and be comfortable and to just doing all of this, because this would have never been possible if it wasn't for literally y'all and me picking up my camera, which is crazy. So anyways, I gotta record some videos. This is the brown mascara from Tarte. How do we feel about it? Did we notice anything different? Can y'all see a difference? My lashes are really growing, and I'm gonna give y'all the tea on what serum I've been using. If you've been on my TikTok lives, you already know. But they've been kind of growing my lashes for real. No, what's the thing? I forgot. But just know they real. Period.